Good morning, everyone. Here we will present the result of the final project in English course. Tonight, we want to discuss our favorite photographer, Eugene Adkit. First of all, I want to introduce our group member. There is Kinanti Adelia Purwanti, Mahardika Rizky Ramadhani, Muhammad Reni Skandar, Novalentino Kukuda Ramadan, and Yohanes Arya. Background. Photography art is a very amazing work for connoisseur of the world of the art of photography itself. Therefore, as much as possible as a connoisseur of a work must understand how the beginning of photography was created. Knowing the origin of the world of photography, connoisseur of photography know more about what they like. In this article, we discuss the biography of one of our favorite artists, documentary photographer Eugene Adkit. He is an artist from Paris, France. His work is dedicated to documentary photography and is active in a corner of the city. He donated the photograph of historic Paris to the French government and sold the other half to the American photographer Bernice Abbott. The work created by Eugene Adget is a work that tells a story as a whole. Adget work depicts French culture and the historical fabric of Paris in the early 20th century. Among the world Among the work he created, he have selected work related to subject matter and story value, including Saint Cloud, 1919, and Chiffonier or Rag Picker, 1899 to 1901. A work titled Saint Cloud represents a dynamic composition that includes the horizontal curve of the pond's edge and the receding lines of the trees. Objective. First, to know the history of photography figures. Second, to know the photo work of Eugene Edgets. Third, to be a material for discussion with the team. Problem formulation. What what are Eugene Edgets' obstacle in his work? Second, why Eugene Edgets really wants to take the time to make a work that contains the documentation of the corner of Paris. Third, what is explained in the work he made.
Chapter 2. Discussion. In his early youth, Adget apparently spent several years at sea, and by the time he was 21, he was living in Paris. At the beginning of his career, he did not focus on the team because he was a sailor and the theatre. Then he tried to run a photo business in the city of Paris and by describing himself as creator and provider of Old Paris landscape photo collection. In 1979, he was ac- he was accepted into the National Conservatory of Music and Drama to study acting. Eugene Adget went to take time for his work, the contents documentary of the corner of the Paris, because his subject that has proven to be in high demand and one that continues to be. This also provides the possibility for the photographer one who did the candid photography without having to manipulate the work his photography aside Beckett Wo maintain, mentioned Eugene Adget and Henry Cartier Brescian as sur, surrealist photographer. Arya
The
lanjut.
surreal is established in terms of what has been directly photographed. Thus, Cartier, Bresson, and Adget, much celebrated by the surrealists at the time, can be seen as surrealists even though They do not manipulate their image. Rather, they find the condition in the skin itself. In the first decade of the 20th century, it seems to be his ambition to build a fine visual catalog of the fruit of French culture of his homes, streets, shop, and architectural detail, where he would sell his print. Various buyers, according to their need, its main customer are arts. In in the first decade of the 20th century, it seemed to be his ambition to build a fine visual catalog of the fruit of French culture of this home, street, shop, and actual detail, where he would sell his print. Various buyers, according to their need. Its main customer are acting of clients who want example of old architectural models, libraries, and archive wishing of to preserve old Paris record. An ancient city amateur who deplore Napoleon III modernization project and his agent Baron Georges Eugene Huysmans, who destroyed and rebuilt much of Paris during the last half of the 17th century.
Eugene Echard, France, 12 February 1857 until 5 August 1927, was a French planner and a pioneer of documentary photography, not for his determination to all document of the architecture and secret and street scans of Paris before their disappearance to modernization. Most of his photographs were first published by Bernays about after his death. Though he sold his work to artists and craftspeople and became an inspiration for the Surrealists, he did not live to see the wide acclaim his work would eventually receive.
By composing the picture with the pool in the foreground, Eugene Edgett created a dynamic composition that incorporates the sweeping horizontal curve of the pool as well as the recurring line of the trees. The pool and garden at Science Called were originally designed for Louis X. If brother, the Ducks, the Orleans, who landscape arches contrive remake perfected by employed optical illusion to create the effect of great distance, progressively smaller general pictures along the alley behind the pool. Although the royal theater that once occupied this ground burned in 1870 during the Franco-Prussian War. The garden survived untouched.
Okay, so from the photo taken by Agent Edget with the title Chiffonier Rack Picture. Picture. Description: the man who pulls this cart of bundled rags and the trash has consented to pose for Agent Edget, but I him distrustfully fully wondering perhaps why the photographer
has chosen him to become the subject for the camera because Eugene Edget make for or the image of painted matter at this location at least 3 or 1 on the same day. Maybe it was explained to Rick Picker and other others that the artist was making a series of picture of street photography, and his sister met him by appointment. The agent simply wait for appropriate subject to pass, and by that on one lucky day, 3 or 4 afraid. If setting we are pre-range, the mean the subject also have been paid. Perhaps not in this case, as the right picture picker. This is uncountable in the class system. We are not thoroughly independent and proud. In addition, Eugene Edget in 1901 was not rich. However, he came here. The rat pitcher did not trouble to save and wears with ordinary work clothing. As has been pointed out by photo historian Maria Morris Hamburg, it is not the person but the thread that is being portrayed, and Edgett did not tell the model to turn his that to free up his face from deep shadow. Not did Edgett make any attempt to show the surrounding. The background is wholly out of focus. It was enough to place the right picture dark figure in the street and carefully position him so that the and his path to well cut. It cargo that in place pilot the frame. Thanks.
So the conclusion that can be drawn from the photographer Eugene is, is that his work in the form of a photo provides a deep meaning for the audience of the photo. The photo holds many memories that have various stories in each of the works that have been created. Therefore, as photo concerts at this time, we are very fortunate to be able to enjoy the works that have been created by Eugene. We must protect this work so that generation after us can enjoy and study Eugene's works.
Okay, that's all from our group presentation. Thank you so much and have a good day. Goodbye.